Course admission. Let me solve one more example relating to the course admission into the college. Problem number 3. The statement says that write a program where a student has good CGPA or good in sports is eligible for admission in a course. We need to design a program where it will identify that if a student has good CGPA or good in sports, this will be eligible for admission in a course. Otherwise, it will not be eligible to admit in the course. It is a very simple program that we can design by using the Python language. So let's go for the solution here. Good CGPA equals to true. Sports equals to false. If good CGPA are sports, then print off eligible for admission. So when you run it, you will get eligible for admission. You can take the same statement to the next level. It is absolutely up to you. But I designed a very simple, a very basic program here. We have two variables. One is good CGPA and the other is sports. These are two variables. These are two identifiers. These are two placeholders. So good CGPA equals to true, which means that yes, the student has very good CGPA. It equals to true. Sports equals to false. He's not good in sports, because the statement says that if the student has good CGPA are good in sports, only then he or she is eligible for the admission. So suppose the student has good CGPA. He has good CGPA, but he is not good in sports. He's not good in sports. At least one option is true. He may have good CGPA or good in sports. He can be good in any one, but at least one condition must be true. So good CGPA is true here. Sports is false. He's not good in sports. Now, the first statement, the first condition says that if good CGPA are sports, look, we have used or operator here. If good CGPA are sports, then take the point of eligible for admission. Here we have two terms. One is good CGPA and the other is sports. The good CGPA is true. Sports is false. At least one term is true here. One term is true here, which is good CGPA. He carries good CGPA. Therefore, this condition is satisfied. This condition is true here. So when you run it, you will get this print function print of eligible for admission in the final output. If both of the terms are false, then this condition won't be satisfied. But since at least one term is true, which is good CGPA, it equals to true. Therefore, this condition is satisfied. This if statement is true. So this print function will be executed. You will see this expression in the final output, eligible for admission.